we set up a meeting here, and we're going to go over a demo here of concept design. Unfortunately, my AE got sick last night, my demo guy, tech guy, and he wasn't able to make it, but I feel that it's a good use of our time here to still kind of go over the broader sense, the big picture here of Creo and how we can help you guys out. So I did put a little agenda here together. What we're going to do is kind of go around the room here, introductions. I know some of the faces are a little bit newer here. Liz, we've met quite a few times. From there, we're going to go over the Creo concept design. And you know what, I actually do have a couple quick videos here that we can kind of talk to, just real quick snippets, but I think they'll be pretty beneficial for you. We'll go over questions as much as I can. I'm not a tech guy, I'm not a demo guy. I am a sales guy, but I do know the product pretty well, and we'll go from there. And then next steps. Does that sound about right for you guys?
Sure.
Did I miss anything?
Perfect.
All right, so my name is Corey John, account manager for EAC. I've been with the company for over 4 years, so I'm not the new guy. We've been here for a while. Let's just go around the room. Name, title.
Chris Emmy, Director of Engineering.
All right, Chris. How long have you been here?
16 years.
Liz, obviously, I know.
Yep.
Clark Cox, VP of Engineering. Been here 8 years.
Sounds good. All right, so you guys own some PTC products here, but what are they? Who are they? PTC is a product development company. That is what we do day in and day out. They have 6,100 people in their company that literally focus solely on product development, and that's it. They're a trusted company. With over 27,000 companies yearly who put their trust in the PTC because they know their products are top of the line, and they're innovative. They revolutionized the world in the late 80s, early 90s with Pro Engineer, 3D CAD software, and they're doing it again with Creo. So Creo, what does it deliver here? So really the big thing is leading assembly performance. We've been known to be quick assembly people in the past, large assemblies. They're doing it here again. What we're here to talk about, faster concept design, and making it easier for you guys to get the parts out the door quicker and faster. Robust part modeling, something ProE's been known for and will be known for in Creo. Sheet metal design, unlimited design flexibility. So the ability to work between CAD models or design functionality, and we'll talk about that here in a little bit. And then round trip with Inimo model, and we'll talk about that in some of the videos here. So, I mean, the big question is can all your guys' CAD software do this?
No, at this time we have some pains getting it out of conceptual design into hard parametric modeling and getting it into the shop.
Okay. So what are the pains?
Well, there's no collaborations limited and products that the designs come out a little slow.
Okay. Well, the good thing is you guys are alone. We see this. We're helping other companies do this. What about you?
You know, we got multiple CAD tools today. At the end of the day, we're getting products out the door because we're getting our drawings done, we're getting our models out to the shop floor to make parts. So, you know, what do these things do for us? They're great ideas, but what are they going to do for us? How are they going to make this faster? I got to get 20% more product out the door next year. So that's what I'm worried about right now.
I did hear that. We can help you guys get them out faster. You'll see here in the video. So we got a little display here. So this is a little intro video for Creo. So the one thing I love about my job is day in and day out, I get to go to customers like yourselves and see what they make. So right here is a customer of ours. You'll see kind of a race might go through here. So anywhere from John Deere to Recon Robotics, if you guys have been reading the news here, the little throwable robots into the windows for the soldiers to use, they're a customer of mine. And so PTC deals with great customers. Great, you guys make the guitars, and they're a recognizable product. So we've got cool customers, and the video is not showing up very well.
You can fast forward if you need to, Corey.
You think it would be better if I put it on the actual laptop and not pulling it off the stick?
It's fine.
I know, it's fine. Go ahead. Continue.
So, like I said, we work with cool customers. They make cool parts, just like yourself. So KTM, what we're going to do here is there's a couple videos with their products in there. This isn't something we made up. They actually use our product to make their bike. So they actually started their concept in 2005 for this new bike. From there, they were able to get it out in 2008 with a super bike. And it's not just a mini bike. It's a world-class, powerful V2 engine. And they did it with a pro engineer, now Creo. So let's actually start talking about the products. So you say you got to get more products out the door. And how do you do that? You got to come up with concepts. You got to be able to detail design it. You guys are working on multiple platforms. So what we got here is Creo Freestyle. Okay? What it does is it's a 3D concept design tool that it works very quick. It's very easy to use. So you got to think of it as taking a piece of clay and smushing it down, pulling, pushing, to get your idea out the door. But it's not just a pretty picture. You can actually start using this to start making actual parts. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, the guys do that today. They use SolidWorks for concept design, and we detail it later or something. So.
They will. But here you'll see in the video here, can they do it this fast? So hopefully this will show through. So what here, he's got a swing arm here. So what he's doing is you start with a basic shape. He smushes it down here to be a kind of a rectangle. He's able to swoop it through here with a new idea. He's able to pull it apart and mirror it just by pushing, pulling, and a couple objects. So in less than 30 seconds, 27 to be exact, he can come up with a new design for this new swing arm. I mean, I hear you guys are taking anywhere from a couple days to make a concept to a month. How much more product you get out the door if you guys could be able to make a new concept? Take that box, push it down to a rectangle, pull it out, and start flaring it out for a new guitar.
Oh, guys, think it'd be faster?
Probably about 40% faster if we're able to actually do it. Now, tell us how that's... I haven't used Pro Engineer myself in a long time. So what's the idea behind it versus me? I guess we're spending a lot of time constraining the models and really working it through. Is this parametrically capable? Are we able to manufacture it once it's done? Are they manufacturable surfaces?
No, I mean, what you need to do is you need to take this and start moving it into the parametric or some of our other software packages to be able to edit it.
Okay.
But it's getting the ideas on paper and something that you can push to your detail designer so they can very quickly already have the 3D stuff and start building off of that.
Okay.
So I think you guys are doing over 100 concepts a year. Or no, 1,000 concepts per year.
Yeah.
And they're taking over a month, some of them. If you could be able to do it in 30 seconds, I think it'd help save you guys quite a bit. Another big thing in Pro Engineering, you got some of these seats here, is the ability to do direct editing inside the parametric world. So you guys are bringing in SolidWorks data, or you're bringing in IDRS files or step files. The ability to be able to make edits to them, right, and without, even if it's a dumb solid. We'll kind of take a look at this here. So what he's doing here is this could be a Pro E part, it could be a SolidWorks part, it could be a step or IDRS file, but he's able just to grab things, move it. You don't see him changing dimensions, which he could. You can just push and pull things inside of the software. So you can bring that SolidWorks file in and make edits to it, because you guys are running into problems there. So if you were able to make edits to a dummy file, what could that do for you guys' business?
We can bring in different files and make changes that quickly. That could be huge. It means you guys need to take a look at this.
So I can pull in Pro Engineer files into SolidWorks, no problem.
Okay.
I mean, do you have that capability?
Into Pro Engineer? Depending on what release you're on, yes, no.
Okay.
But the big thing is the easy use inside of the Creo here, the ability to make those edits, because you guys are multi-platform. I mean, you'd be working with outside vendors too, be able to push and pull their stuff. Can you guys do that?
Let's say we have, conceptual design people, you get people in the concept design who don't use SolidWorks or Pro Engineer or, the SolidWorks users, will they be able to use this electrical modeling, or will this be a standalone or just for the
This is a product that sits on top of our career parametric.
So how do people collaborate outside of the creative users
To do,
conceptual design and get it to the stage?
so yeah, so you'd be bringing in information from your conceptual designers into the parametric world and being able to make the edits from there.
So are you suggesting that we continue using SolidWorks for our conceptual design and then flex modeling for our detail?
Well, I mean, a perfect world, I mean, we would say, you know, everybody move over to, you know, the Creo Freestyle, being able to stretch and pull and do everything there. I mean, if you guys are able to do what we can do in 30 seconds, I'd be, you know, pretty ecstatic. Any other questions?
You said we own these already. So is that a free module? I know PTC has all these, 1,000 different modules. Is this another module that we have to pay for? Or is this free?
Which one?
Any of the things you're telling us so far.
So the first one is a free portion for inside of Pro Engineer. So it's software that you guys own today. It's just included in there. But the flexible modeling extension, that is an add-on. But for $1,500, if you're able to make edits to a part, and you said it's faster, it pays for itself very, very quickly.
What tools do you have that the conceptual folks that don't use Pro Engineer, what do we require for PTC to have them participate?
Yep.
I'd like to compare ideas.
So that is one of the next ones here, so you can use the freestyle. Another good one here is this our Creo Direct product. So it's very easy to use, kind of the same concept of pushing and pulling and just making quick edits here. It's not a constraint. There's no model tree. It's very easy to use. So from there, you'd be able to do that. So we'll show a quick video here. So what we're going to do, so to kind of prep this video here, it's going to go pretty fast, is they're going to take a Pro Engineer part, they're going to move it into a direct world, able to move things, make that quick change, make that edit. From there, they're actually going to bring it back into the Creo product, parametric product. Okay? But the intent of the design is still there. So they can still edit the pattern, which you'll see there. You can make dimensional editing, which is still in there. So it's going to move pretty quick. So if you need me to, I can play it over again. But let's So as you can see here, that we're in the direct modeling app right here. So he's just pushing, pulling, kind of grabbing just the surfaces, moving it around. As you can see, they went right back into the Pro Engineer package. So you see the change that's been done here. He's going to be able to grab that, change the dimension on it, change the intent of the product is still in here in the model tree. So we're the first people to be able to do this successfully. Being able to go from a parametric world to a direct editing back into a parametric. This is huge.
How's this different than that flexible modeling you were just telling me about? You use the same words, push, pull. What's the difference?
So the flexible modeling is something for a quick change, and it's especially if it's a product that wasn't built inside of Pro Engineer first. So the direct editing or the flexible modeling is really good for when you're getting imported data. There's non-Pro Engineer things, and with a pull and push, you can use it on Pro E stuff if you need to make a quick change. But you're able to do it with the Creo Direct. You can start modeling in that if you wanted to, bring it into Pro Engineer. It's just whatever works best for you guys. So we took a look at the competitive snapshot here, taking a look at what is out there. We talked about freestyle design. We said with your Pro Engineer, you guys have that. With flexible modeling, something that Creo has. Our competitors just don't have it. So when I say PTC revolutionized the world in '98 or '89, they're doing it again here in the 2000s. We're a world-class software company here, and we want to earn your guys' business, show you what we can. I can get my technical guy here either in person or via web so you guys can see it. Yeah. Are there any questions so far? All right, so just a quick summary here. What we're able to do is easy, fast, flexible, robust design with our any mode modeling, the ability to move between parametric, direct, back to parametric, the ability to make edits to Pro E data, and the ability to do quick concept design. So I guess, we can go through questions here, we can go through next steps. What can we do to help show you guys the value of these products?